3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Welcome everyone. Today I'll guide you through everything you need to know about the Northern Expedition update. As you embark on this adventure, you'll soon acquire your first rod. Progressing further up the mountain reveals even more content, including the ability to unlock pickaxes. These are crucial tools for interacting with the levers scattered throughout the map. To obtain certain rods, you'll need to locate and pull around 6 or 7 levers. For example, breaking into specific rooms using your pickaxe grants access to pull levers, which ultimately lead to valuable rewards, like rods. As you ascend, you'll need to manage your oxygen by refilling it to explore higher altitudes. Additionally, some areas require a blizzard totem to solve puzzles and gain access. These totems are rare and pricey, but essential, as certain sections demand 2 players to activate pedestals simultaneously. The higher you climb, the better the rods become, with endgame items waiting near the mountain's peak. There's also a significant puzzle requiring energized crystals, which you can acquire through fishing. To top it off, advanced diving gear is available at the summit, enhancing your exploration capabilities. Levers can be found in various mountain locations, and while they're scattered, each one contributes to larger and puzzles throughout the expedition. Dive in, explore, and uncover everything this update has to offer.